Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the Zello app to automatically save photos that are taken with the camera. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Zello app. And here, it opens up in the context menu. From here, we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, options, then tap on behavior, and here in the middle we find save photos taken with the camera. If we turn this on, then whenever we take a picture inside the app, so when we are in a conversation and we are sending a picture, that picture is going to be saved to our device. It's not going to remain only in the chat. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.